Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious strawberry chin chin. I'm going to be using two methods to make this, one oven method and frying method. So I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Give it a try because this chin chin I've never tasted chin chin like this before, guys. It's not a joke. You need to try this strawberry chin chin. Now let's get to the ingredients. So these are the ingredients. I'm going to be using some milk, flour. I'm going to be leaving all the measurements at description, okay? So this is margarine and not butter. You can use butter as well. Nutmeg, one fresh egg, some sugar, and that is strawberry cream, like strawberry syrup that I made at home. I'm going to be showing you how I prepare them, okay? So first, I'm going to talk about the strawberry. I cooked the strawberry, about 200 grams of strawberry with 40 grams of sugar. You need to cook them until the strawberry becomes soft. When you know that the strawberry have started breaking down, remove them from the heat and blend them to cream. So yeah, moving over to the chin chin, the flour, the dough. I'm adding the sugar, 40 grams of sugar into the flour and room temperature margarine. Like I said, you can use butter if you don't have margarine at home, okay? So I'm going to use my hand to work everything in, mix them until the butter is well mixed, crumbly or something like that, I think. So that is what I'm doing here. So I'm done mixing that first stage with butter, sugar and the flour. I'm adding a half teaspoon of nutmeg. You can add more if you want, okay? So go ahead and mix them until they are well combined. So guys, now I'm going to break in one egg. You can use 2 eggs, depends on the measurement or on the quantity of the chin chin you're making. So after breaking the egg, I don't like to put my hand into the egg directly after breaking them. So I'm using fork to mix everything in before working in with my hand. So guys, I'm done mixing in the egg into the flour. Now I'm going to be adding my strawberry syrup. Please don't use fresh strawberry if you want to have a better result of this chin chin, strawberry chin chin, okay? And if you want it to be red velvet color, you can go ahead and add color, but I wasn't going for that color. I was going for the flavor, like that strawberry flavor. So I'm going to go ahead now to mix everything up, then I will continue. So guys, I wasn't having it with this bowl because the bowl was little. I made a mistake to use this small bowl. I will have used the other bigger bowl, but anyhow, I transferred the dough into my working board. If you have working board, do the same. If you don't have, use your bowl to get the mixture together. So I'm going to work everything in with my hand at this moment. If you have a dough machine, use a dough machine for this. It's more simple, okay? So as you can see, I'm kneading everything and I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh milk into this just to get that dough clump together. Please do not add too much milk into it. Add a tablespoon at a time. So this is the consistency I was going for, and the dough is responding to me right now. So now to take them out of the board, I actually fried my own right away. I didn't allow them to rest, but you can allow yours to rest a bit in the fridge before frying them, or before kneading them and cutting them into the chin chin shape, okay? But me, I just started doing my thing here, okay? So I'm going to be rolling this little one out. First one that I will roll out cut is going to be going to the oven. So after the oven one, I'm going to cut out another one for the fry. I told you guys that I'm going to be using two methods, which is frying and oven method, like baking method, for this chin chin. So let's get to work. So I've preheated my oven at 180 degrees. So I'm going to, after putting all the cut cookies chin chin into the oven tray, I'm going to pump them in the oven and allow them to stay there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I do turn them over as well. So this is another batch of the dough. I'm going to be cutting this one out with my knife. This is for those of you that don't have pizza cutter. You can use your knife to get this to the shape of your choice. For the chin chin, I love to just make them the way I want. I don't follow a step like when I'm cutting them. Either I use the pizza cutter or I use the knife cutter method. So just use any method that works for you. So here is my oil. While I was cutting the chin chin, I placed the oil over the heat to start heating up. So I'm going to fry the chin chin until they are about golden brown, or until you know that they are becoming crunchy. That is when you're going to take them out of the heat. So guys, I'm done frying all the chin chims, and the one in the oven is already out of the oven. So this is the result, guys. This one is for the oven, the one I baked in the oven, and the other one is the frying, the one I fried. Guys, I actually gave my friend half of the one in the oven, my Italian friend. She finished everything because you know why I like that one? It's because the strawberry flavor came out more with the baking one instead of the frying one. I'm not saying that the frying one there is no strawberry flavor. There is strawberry flavor and it's very delicious as well, but with baking one it comes out more. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Give this chin chin a try, you won't regret it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you all. Bye.